Okay, so Valentine's Day is coming up, and in the spirit of Valentine's Day, I thought I would recommend some, let's say, unconventional Valentine's Day tech. It's not really Valentine's Day themed per se, but it is tech that I honestly think that your loved ones and or significant other might actually enjoy instead of some random gadget that they will probably never use. And the first one actually is going to be either RGB lights or RGB light bulb, which lets you change colors according to an app that you can install on your phone. And you can just pick random colors, you can do RGB strips, you can pick just a light bulb. There are lots of different options. This is GoV. I'll put a link in the description below, but there are many different brands. Let's go back to normal for everything right now, shall we? So yeah, I do recommend that. That can be for it can be anything from mood lighting to if they're a content creator, they can create content to a simple thing they can hook to their smart device so they can have their smart device control the lights and something like that. It's a pretty nice setup, I think. Next, we're going with charger. Okay, this is more for if they have an iPhone type thing. This specifically is the Falcon 3-in-1 charger. Charges your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods, which leads me to the third thing I recommend, because this is the second. The first one is the light bulbs or light bar or light strip going across the desk. That was the first one. Second one is this. Third one is this. Not necessarily AirPods, but noise cancellation headphones or noise cancellation earbuds, something with noise cancellation. Okay, there are some people who don't like noise cancellation, but I feel like the majority do enjoy noise cancellation, especially if they travel like on a plane or on a train or anything like that. Maybe put the noise cancellation headphones or earphones in or on and just enjoy the trip. And that would be, of course, number 3. Number 4 would be a sound Bluetooth sound thing. Portable Bluetooth. Yes. This is portable Bluetooth. This is the portable Bluetooth. Rather, you don't gotta get this exact brand, of course. There are tons of portable Bluetooth devices out there, but portable Bluetooths do come in handy, and a lot of them are water resistant as well. So that is like add in a nice little bonus for on the go or taking a shower and stuff. But with that said, if you're going to use it in the shower, you definitely want to check the rating on it as far as what water resistant it's up to, or even if it is water resistant, and use at your own risk and all the safety stuff. Just be safe with it. And then finally is something I don't personally have, the fifth one, So I can't actually show you in the conventional way, but just pretend I have it here, okay? It's a smart frame. Usually you use an app or something and you could change the photos on it. Those are the 5 things that I recommend for Valentine's Day. Honestly, I'll probably recommend some of these farther on down the line for other holidays, especially the whole thing with this. Yeah, that was the charger, but like I said, that's more for an iPhone. If you're in the whole Apple ecosystem, iPhone, Apple Watch, AirPods, all that jazz. But yeah, I just thought I'd go a bit not traditional this time with my recommendations because of the fact that you really want to actually get something that your loved ones will actually use, actually enjoy, actually be like, oh, yeah, this is very good. Or, one of the days they can be like, oh, yeah, such and such bought that for me for such and such. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.